I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we will see how to add rational expressions. We have 1 over x minus 5 plus 2 over 10 minus 2x. So we can rewrite this as 1 over x minus 5 plus. Now we can take minus 2 as the common factor in the denominator of the second term. So if you take minus 2, you get x minus 5, right? Now this can be simplified and we get 1 over x minus 5 plus, that gives you minus 1 over x minus 5. Now 1 over x minus 5 plus minus 1 over x minus 5 is equal to, you may write like this, 1 over x minus 5 minus 1 over x minus 5, which is indeed 0, right? So we get 0 as our answer. And the restriction here is that x is not equal to 5, as that will make these denominators 0. So that is the solution. Thank you.